Welcome to PartsHnC. In today's video, we'll be talking about HVAC pressure switches, what they are, the types available, and how to troubleshoot them. An HVAC pressure switch is a critical component of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. It monitors the air pressure in the system to ensure everything is operating safely. If the pressure is too high or too low, the pressure switch triggers a safety shutoff to prevent damage to your HVAC system. There are two main types of HVAC pressure switches: high-pressure switches. These monitor the refrigerant pressure to avoid over-pressurization. Low-pressure switches. These check the refrigerant levels and shut down the system if the pressure falls below the recommended level. Troubleshooting a pressure switch is straightforward, but important for maintaining system efficiency. Clogged or obstructed ports can prevent the pressure switch from detecting the correct air pressure, leading to malfunction. Worn or damaged switches may fail to respond accurately to pressure fluctuations, compromising the system's performance. Loose or damaged wiring connected to the pressure switch can disrupt its ability to communicate with the system, causing improper operation. Always ensure the switch is clean, properly connected, and in good condition for optimal performance. If you need a replacement pressure switch or any other HVAC parts, visit PartsHnC. We have a wide range of quality parts available for all your HVAC needs.